If you're looking for a really well-made, quiet fan that's highly functional and works really well with a bunch of different settings, check out the DREO standing floor fan that I purchased on Amazon. I purchased actually two of these because these are just such great quality. They're super easy to clean. Actually, all you do is you take out the inside and you can even run it in running water and just quickly clean it. In the past, we used those fans that have a spinning blade. They were super hard to clean and they were really loud. But let me show you actually how this one sounds. It's blowing really wonderful cold air on the number 2 setting. It also oscillates, so it will pivot and turn around. And I love that these are on the floor and these are safe for kids, because with those other types of fans that have the spinning blades, I got really nervous that the children were gonna put their hands inside and hurt themselves, but I don't have to worry with this one running. We run these actually even at night and they blow nice cool air and they're not very loud. But if you do like having some sound at night, like my husband, this has actually been a really great solution because it's not too loud, but it makes enough sound to keep him nice and cozy in the evening. So I highly recommend these DREO fans if you're looking for a great solution this summer.